You are watching Twin Birds. Today we'll show you how to prepare wild spinach. For this recipe we will need wild spinach or spinach, 1 onion, 3 green chilies, 10 pods of garlic, 2 tomatoes, rock salt, lentils, turmeric, red chili, mustard, some ghee. For this recipe, we will cook the lentils with some water and turmeric and mash it well. Wild spinach is much more tastier than regular spinach. For this recipe, we will start by adding the spinach into a pressure cooker or any pan. Onion, green chilies, garlic and chopped tomatoes. Then add some water, around half a cup water. Then cook. Now we can cover the cooker without adding whistle and cook until the spinach becomes wilt. We can open the cooker. Remove the excess liquid from the spinach and allow the contents to cool. Now we can add all the greens into a blender, then add salt as per your taste and blend it well. After we can blend the spinach like this, a coarse paste. We can now add the spinach into the cooked lentils. And mix well. In a small pan, we will now add some ghee and allow it to melt. Add mustard seeds. And allow it to crackle. Then add red chili. Then pour the contents onto the spinach. And now wild spinach is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.